Hi everyone! Last week I didn't manage to do all that I wanted, so let's try and do it this week. First thing, I will finish the belts. Well, I didn't put all the pads and I took a look last time and all the parts that were flying weren't zip tied. So I will finish these ones for good. First, we are going to put all the pads that are missing on the two threads. This one is done. Let's go for the second one. And the two threads are complete, so I will put them back on the tank. This is really heavy. Let's put the threads. And both threads are back on with all their pads, and I will check now how I did fasten the pulleys of the motors so I can fasten the bolts as tight as I can so they don't slip anymore, because that's a mistake that I made too many times. And now let's go for phase 2. The last time that I tried the tank, last week, I did a big mistake with the programming of the VSCs and I had only 10% of the power at full throttle. And that's unacceptable, so I will fix that right now. Well, I think this is more like it, and now it is really scary again. So I will do my best to try it out. Let's see what we can do. And I think I forgot to mention that I'm printing some temporary covers for this, so I will put a camera on one of these so I don't miss anything. You know me. when you have a robot that weighs 23 kilos and it has threads and motors and all, you don't have to keep bringing it on your arms to the test field. You just can drive it there. So this thing is much faster than last week now. I have an issue with the pulleys that I will try to fix later on, but let me try and do some speed tests with this thing. Well, it's pretty quick, and I don't have a helmet or anything, but you know that I have to try it right. I have to. Well, that was really fun. There is lots of potential on those motors, VSCs, the tank. Well, I hope you liked it as much as me, because it was awesome. So that's it for this week, and I've learned a lot. It's rideable, but I don't fit inside. And next week there are going to be lots of good news. So thanks a lot for everything. Liking, sharing. Please share my videos because it helps a lot. Liking them, smash that like button because I know you liked it too. Please subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to this channel, just because of the tank madness. Thanks a lot for your Patreon support. Without your support, there will be no Ivan on top of a tank riding on a football court. So thanks a lot for that. Please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep tanking and stuff. And now please go and make something. Now I have to fix the tank just to go back to the shop.